A home of extraordinary quality and space sits very privately on a hillside in Chester Township, New Jersey. Welcome to Kestrel Ridge, a woodland mansion offering privacy, warmth, and immaculate architectural details. Enjoying the passive recreation benefits of neighboring Hacklebarney Park. A gated entryway leads to a courtyard edged by a waterfall and maturely landscaped grounds. The meticulously crafted stone exterior and handsome hand-carved wood features inside lend a European hunting manor style to the home. Architectural blueprints show over 11,000 square feet of space on 3 levels, with 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Throughout the interior, expansive rooms with high ceilings are brightened with walls of windows providing views of the private grounds and hillsides beyond. An impressive 2-story entry hall opens to an equally inspiring great room with a baronial stone fireplace. Overlooking each of these rooms and accessed by a gracious staircase is a significant landing with domed ceiling crowning the entryway. The dining room and kitchen with double islands are designed for entertaining on a generous scale with amenities for a master chef. An adjoining octagonal breakfast room with fireplace overlooks and adjoins the sprawling stone terrace spanning the back of the home, providing endless space to dine al fresco. Off the kitchen hall, a comfortable den with fireplace is the perfect place to relax. Occupying one entire end of the first floor, the primary bedroom suite includes a sitting room, spacious double closet rooms, and double full baths with etched glass shower doors. The second floor is dedicated to more individually designed bedrooms, 2 with fireplaces and all with ensuite baths. A spectacular lower level is largely dedicated to entertainment and recreation with an award-winning 22-seat home theater. Beguiling woodland-themed bar area, a family and media room with fireplace, and a game room. A wine cellar stands ready for memorable gatherings. The sequestered pool complex, which features a stunning freeform gunite pool with waterfall and ample stone terrace. A stone pool house with kitchen, dining area, separate bathroom and sauna, and an outdoor barbecue area. The home is listed for sale at $8 million.